Is it recording? I don't know. Okay. Hi, everybody. Um, I was happy that so many of you checked in on Google Classroom today. That is awesome. I'm sure that you're probably bored and maybe worried about this research paper. Do not worry. Um, Here's the thing. I originally, when we were in school, wanted you guys to write your rough draft out in that packet. I still do, but I am not going to be able to physically see those and grade them. So, when you are done writing out the packet at home, I'm going to have you guys type it up. This right here, the background, is I guess like the start of your rough draft. So let me explain. You are like what I put here is basically an outline for you. You're gonna have to go in here and change the names and information to yours, right? So you're gonna put your name, your teacher, which is me, the class, which is English 3, and the date. You can just put today's date or whatever date you're writing it. I don't care. Okay, but you will have to change this information. Okay. Also, the title, you're going to have to come up with some title. It doesn't have to be creative. You can just even put the name of your person. That's fine. The format that you guys see here needs to stay the same. All right. So everything is double spaced and the information where it's at needs to stay where it's at. If you see here at the very, very top of your screen, I have added headers, page numbers to every page that you're going to write. So we were going to learn this all in class, and you guys were going to have to do this on your own, but you guys have a lot on your plate right now. So really, we're just going to do fill in the blank. All right, now down here is where you are going to start typing your paper. I just wrote in here, your introduction paragraph starts here. Please remember to indent each new paragraph. If you forget, each page is in your packet is a new paragraph. So every time that you are done typing one page and switch to the next, you're going to press the tab button, T-A-B, and that is going to indent. You see this space right here? That is an indent space, okay? If you notice, the paragraph is double spaced. Your entire paper should be double spaced. By the time you're done, there should be 7 paragraphs, including your introduction and conclusion. So that's everything that's in the packet, right? This draft, I will not count as a grade. I'm going to go through and I'm going to type in there changes for you, suggestions and edits, and then you'll be able to edit it online, and then you'll submit your final draft after you've edited it, and the rubric will grade it in Google Classroom. Okay? Sorry, I'm out of breath from talking so much. When you guys start to type up your paragraphs, please remember that it goes green, so your topic sentence to start, and then it goes yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red, green. All right? And it should be complete sentences. You should have capital letters, good punctuation. I mean, try to make this the best that you can so that you don't have to completely redo it for your final draft. I know this is different than what we were originally going to do, but do your best. All you're going to do is finish writing out your packet, and I put all the videos on a previous post. So once you're done with the packet, then you're going to come here to this document and just start typing it up, right? So there should be 7 paragraphs, 7 indent spaces right there. Okay, and the rest is already formatted for you. If you have questions or concerns, First of all, don't freak out. In case you guys didn't get the memo, here, my dog's bugging me, I'll show him to you. In case you guys didn't get the memo, your grades cannot get lower than what they are now in any of your classes. Whatever work you do can only improve your grade. So if you fail something, we are not going to enter it. It will not bring your grade down. If you get an A+ on something, we will enter that and that will improve your grade. Okay, I am going to be online every day from 8:45 to 1:45. Any time in between there. I know they put a bell schedule, but I am just available that whole time. So anytime during that, if you have questions, go ahead and type like you have been in Google Classroom. That's awesome, the discussion board there. Go ahead and type in there and let me know what's up. You can also email me if you're comfortable doing that. My dog's eating my sweater. Stop it. No. He needs to go outside. All right. So again, please, you guys, do not freak out. This cannot bring your grade down. Things have totally changed. You just need to do your best on this. All right. We will get through this. And then after the research paper, we have a really fun poetry unit. And I'm hoping that we can all make videos of us rapping or reciting poems. We'll see. Okay. Stay home and stay healthy. I forgot to add. If you remember on your packet pages, for most of them, there's a little section where you circle what websites that you've been using. We are going to add that into this paragraph, but into each paragraph on this typed up rough draft, but I'm going to make another video for it. Okay, so don't freak out about that. We will do that for the final draft. So go ahead, type up your rough draft, and we will add citations to the final draft. So once you turn in your rough draft, which I'm hoping will be next Friday, honestly though, I'm going to extend it. I'm going to push it to April 17th. Okay, so I'll give you another week because I know this is a lot. So on April 17th, your rough draft paper is going to be due typed up. And then I'll go through and grade those, and I will specifically show you in each of your individual rough drafts where to enter the citations for your final draft. Okay? My dog's attacking me. All right. Again, stay home, stay safe. Miss you guys.